make a little bit of money, then get back home. Now here I am living in a little subdivision surrounded by steel and stone. I got a neighbor, he's a lawyer, his wife could be his daughter. He don't know what to think of me, cause I sight my bow on a styrofoam dough by the hole of the 18th green.
Cause I ain't out of the woods yet. Still got a blue collar and a redneck.
Got a gun rack in the back window of my four-wheel drive. A country boy can survive.
I say, hey y'all, and I reckon so. We're the Mossio from head to toe. As corn-fed, cornbread country as a boy can get.
No, I ain't out of the woods yet.
Oh, I'm a living here, baby.
I got a manicured lawn and a concrete pond.